She reached out to me in November and told me that she felt unwell. Mostly she had insomnia. She was losing her appetite. She was very anxious and sad. I reached out to my colleagues who were running a clinic for women that was struggling postpartum.
Did you find that Lindsay was interested at all times in trying to get better and see doctors?
Very much so.
Did you find at all, do you have an opinion with your observations of Lindsay as to whether or not she was offered help and would just spurn it and not see doctors and not have treatment?
She was begging for help.
Why is this important?
Huge, because she didn't sit back and wait and let this eat her up. She was struggling for help. Now, the prosecution did score some points on cross. She got Susan to admit that there were times where Lindsay looked okay. She seemed to be fine. She seemed to be well. That's why the expert testimony from the defense is so critical to explain how you can be okay one minute and not be okay the next. We're not experts on psychosis. I need help, and that's what they're giving the jury.
So let me give you a taste at home of what that looked like and felt like for the jury through the prosecution's cross. Here.
Are you aware that Lindsay told one of the therapists that she wasn't close with you as in-laws? And that
I didn't know that, no.
That she said she doesn't generally allow the in-laws to watch her children?
I did watch the kids.
Okay, but are you aware that she told the therapist that?
No.
Are you an active member in the Catholic Church?
Yes.
Okay. So you're aware that murder is considered a mortal sin?
Yeah, Counsel, could I see you over here?
I got to tell you, it didn't work for me. I was a little surprised that the judge immediately moved to strike, but how did you see it?
You are?
Yeah.
I objected in my house when I was watching this. This was such a cheap shot. It's irrelevant, and you can tell that any attempt she made to try to persuade the judge otherwise fell on deaf ears. She went back and then left it alone, and he said, disregard that last remark.
Yeah.
It was a cheap shot, like the bow in her hair.
It wasn't
necessary.
It was, but remember, this is, what we would call the Hobson's choice that she's making. This prosecutor wants this jury to know, I'm a woman, and I hate this lady. I hate Lindsay Clancy for what she did. I hate her. She's making a choice. The other choice that would be more ordinary is, as a woman, I understand where she's coming from, but we also got to understand what this isn't. She's not making that choice. That's why she did that today. The question is, what will it mean to the jury?
And I think she's making the wrong choice.
You think so? Why?
Wrong choice. Yes, because there's overwhelming evidence of mental illness that preceded this abhorrent offenses that she committed. So I would say, folks, there is mental illness here, and for that we feel for her. But legally, she knew right from wrong, because at the time of the offense, the prosecution should argue, she knew what she was doing at times enough that she should be barred from prevailing legally. That should be the argument. For them to discredit everything and, like today, to claim that she didn't really try to commit suicide when there was a forensic expert to say she face planted and she broke her spine and now she's in a wheelchair, to minimize that, please, you're picking the wrong argument to make.
Yeah, that has never made sense to me. The second craziest thing about what's happening in this trial is the absolute mental illness we're seeing online about trying to frame Patrick Clancy. To me, it is the low point of rage bait that I've seen in the coverage of any trial. Have you ever seen anything like it?
Yes, I've seen it in politics. I've seen it with Americans. Nobody surprises me anymore. And you know what? Go ahead, spew all that stuff. The problem is there is no evidence to support that he was involved. If there was evidence of it, he wouldn't be testifying. He'd be invoking his Fifth Amendment, or he'd be a defendant. I just think it's baseless. But I am a free speech advocate. Let people spew even their baseless, moronic comments. Go right ahead.
You have the right to be wrong. But just because you have the right does not make what you say right. And we know that this is social media at its worst. The only reason they're going at this guy, despite all of his loss, is because they can and they'll get clicks. That's why they're doing it. And people should listen to our podcast with Rusty Yates, where he talks about what these people are doing to Patrick Clancy, not just today, but what will stay with him for a long time to come. Mark Eiglarsh, you are the man. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.